Hello everyone. With this video, we continue our weekly oil market reviews, which we began in early November. The review will be updated and available for download in early December in its final version. From November 17th to 21, oil prices were pressured by a possible deal to end the conflict between Ukraine and Russia. If a deal is reached, previously announced sanctions against Russian companies Lukoil and Rosneft will likely be lifted, and Russian oil exports will continue. On Monday and Tuesday, the price was stable due to a lack of economic and geopolitical signals. On Wednesday, the oil price sharply broke the $60 mark and remained in the $58–$60 range. The price decline indicates continued market concerns about oversupply and slowing demand from leading economies. Even a larger than expected decline in oil inventories, which had implied a rise in oil prices, did not stop their decline. U.S. crude inventories fell by minus 3.42 million barrels per day, the Energy Information Administration (EIA) reported on Wednesday. The market ignored the drop in inventories, and oil prices fell. After some stabilization on Thursday, oil prices fell sharply again on Friday, November 21st, due to growing optimism about a possible deal to end the conflict between Ukraine and Russia. OPEC's decision on November 2nd to modestly increase oil production, followed by a pause in production increases in January, February, and March, also continues to have an impact. Geopolitically, the situations surrounding Venezuela and Nigeria continue to have an impact. Both countries are OPEC members, and strikes against them could lead to higher oil prices, even a sharp rise. The United States continues to build up its naval presence in the Caribbean Sea, where significant U.S. military assets are concentrated, led by the aircraft carrier Gerald R. Ford. In Nigeria, the Pentagon presented 3 combat scenarios. The market hasn't reacted yet, but it could react quickly if any action is taken. The next oil price outlook will be published on November 28th. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.